Hi everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. So today we are going to do Valentine's hanging bling sign, I guess something for the wall hanging. So you're going to need 2 of these from Dollar Tree. I just took out the part that was hanging on it and won't need that anymore. I'm going to take this little thing off. I just use this Dollar Tree scraper. And you can always keep this stuff as well for future projects. And even if you rip right through that's fine. Oh, it stayed on one piece. Okay, we'll just keep this for another project. Now, that you're not gonna have to worry about. I see this one's already ripping, so I don't know. Oh, I might not even need this scraper. Apparently I won't. So we're going to take that off. You're going to need 2 of these and do the exact same thing. Oh, of course, now I can't get this one off. Okay, that's no big deal. I found some of them too were sticking out on the end. I don't know why they were sticking out. Because we're not going to use this side, we're actually just going to use the excuse me, this heart side. So I'm just going to grab some paint. I have just some regular acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and then we're just going to paint the heart. All right, so after finished painting, I did a really good coat on the one that's on the front. On the back, I just went around the sides just so it's going to be facing inner, but I didn't want to see any colored part. This one was a lot harder to take the paper off. Now this side's the inside, and this is just the back. You're not going to see that whether you're hanging out on the wall or on the door. Now I just put some wood cubes on there. I put 9 wood cubes. I'm using some hot glue. Now, the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to glue, I would pick the 2 bad sides, which are the place that you already took the sticker off. And you're just going to hot glue them one another like such. Make sure when you glue it that you put it on correctly so that it evens out with the rest of the outlining of the heart. So once you have them glued together, you're just going to have a space like this. And what we're going to do on there is you can put some, I'm going to do some, this is just from Dollar Tree. It's just some, it's not the self-adhesive ones. This is just some ribbon that I got at Dollar Tree. I don't remember what I used it on. Maybe it was a Chanel perfume bottle. And I'm just gonna place, now you might have to cut some off on the corner like right here, and you're just gonna glue that on. You can either do 1, or I'm just gonna show you what 2 looks like. I think I'm gonna do 2. I don't know why a piece is missing out of it. I think I'm gonna do 2. So then you're just gonna need to trim the edges where you want to cut it off, and then you're going to glue that on. You can use Mod Podge for that. Just with the hot glue, it's just going to be a little bit bumpy, and you want to have it a flat surface. Okay, once I put the ribbon on, I did use Mod Podge underneath and put it on. Then I grabbed these tea lights. I'm just going to show you here. Now I ordered these from Amazon, and I think I've showed you guys in another project. There's 10 of them that come in there. They come with some replacement batteries. I really like them, using them for projects only because they're super thin battery packs and they're easier to conceal on crafts, on your crafts. I think I got 10 of them for 20 bucks on Amazon. Now I already did this one, and I just looped it through the hole. I did glue it on the back already because the back is going to be against the wall, so you're not going to see it. And then I looped it. I didn't even loop it because we still haven't done this yet, but I looped it through the front and I just went all the way around. I just used hot glue, went along the side and did it down here as well to hold it down. And then once you turn it on, it's actually pretty cool. So you just kind of where you want to have the lights on it. I just kind of did it, you know, so there was a little bit in each spot. Now, the next thing that we're gonna do, all right, once I just used, like I said, the Mod Podge, I put the Bling Ribbon down. Now, I bought these at Amazon, and it was 20 bucks for a pack of 10. I really like them. Only reason being is that the battery pack itself is a lot easier to conceal in crafts that you do. And for a good price, I've used a couple on a lot of my projects, as I only have 2, and I'll probably order another pack again. So I'm just going to use 1 strand for this. As you can see on the back, I've put it here, and I looped it underneath to come out here, and I just use hot glue. So I just wanted to have a design. Obviously you're not going to see the wire, but I just wanted the light. So when I did it, I did do it with the lights on, just so that the lights are spread out properly. Now, I had this wire here, and my thing wasn't filming, so I already had it tied on. But this is just going to be the part where this obviously hangs on the wall or your door, wherever you want to have them. Now, there's just DT floral wire. I cut 3 pieces, and I just twist it around so that it's strong enough to hold this up, and then I will attach it to the back. But what I'm gonna do is, I have them in a jar, but I have these pearls from DT, and I'm just gonna loop them. Since it's like a bling one, I thought I'd keep it all nice and just have the nice pearl look as the hanger going around. I'm gonna fix this here, but I will do that and then attach it to the other side. So the next thing that we will do, I'm gonna do this after. I'm just gonna take this off. The next thing that we're gonna do is the sides that are open all along, excuse me, are the acrylic gems that you can get these at DT. Oh, sorry guys. And we're just gonna glue them along the side, all the way around. All right, so I just wanted to show you, so far, I went all the way around, starting in the middle. As you can see, I just love how it's turning out. I did the pearls, just tied them on, wrapped the wire around about 10 times. So it's nice and strong, but we still have to keep going. So the next thing, we're still gonna stick with the bigger beads. You can go with the smaller stones too. So I'm on my 2nd pack now. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you this sideways. I wonder if I can lean this here. Instead of putting it upright, we're gonna do it on an angle. So when you put it on, but that's only going to be the outer layer. I am going to just leave the sides for now at the end of the rhinestone ribbon, but I'm going to go all the way down like this, because the next layer will be face up, but then it just gives us a nice smoother look. So let me get half of that done, and I'm going to show you, and then I will finish the rest. And actually, as y'all know, in my videos, I always change my mind, and I actually have something I want to do different here. I'm still going to keep this, but I'm just going to add something a little bit different. So let me get this done, and then we'll come back. All right, so I just wanted to show you. I think it turned out way better than originally what I planned and what my vision, so I'm very happy with it. So the only thing I'm going to tell you, and I did have to take some off, and if you need to take any off, the best way that I found is, if you make a mistake, is actually just using a hot air dryer, holding the hot air dryer, and it will melt the glue stick, and you can actually just pull it off. And if you pull some of the white off of the paint, you can just touch it up. But I think it turned out really well. I did the siding just around there instead of keeping it just flat. Now, the idea was when I told you, I'm just gonna grab one here, was when I was gluing them, I was just gonna glue them solid flat like that. But when I started doing it, there was bigger gaps and holes in them. So what I decided to do was along the side, as I told you, is to keep them on the side. Isn't this just gorgeous? I just love it. Just turned out so well. Is just when you follow the outside line, tilt them, sorry. You have to tilt them, if you know what I mean. They're all tilted this way, and then I kind of tilted it. I never did any flat at all. So going on the edge, tilting that way, all tilting towards in when you do them. I found it gave a better fit. I'm just pulling all these little, I don't know if you're working with hot glue, you know, you get all those little stringy things. And I just think it turned out amazing. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like turned on. I just think it turned out really gorgeous. I'm just so in love with it. So what I decided to do, I was going to do a bow and stuff like that, but I have decided that I'm going to actually put the word Chanel. You don't have to do Chanel. You could do XOXO. I have these letters. They were just from the dollar store. I don't know if it was just some sheets I had with a bunch of stickers that I keep, and I'm just going to put some black. I have some extra fine glitter. Does anybody ever see black glitter at Dollar Tree? Because I never see them. I see almost every color except black. I don't know, maybe your stores carry it. I've never seen it there. But I'm just going to use these black letters. I'm just going to paint on some Mod Podge and put some glitter. So it looks like I'll be full of glitter for the next 2 days. But yeah, and then I'm just going to stick the letters there. Once I do that, I'm going to come back and show you, and we'll go from there. All right, so I just wanted to show you the final result. So I did put the glitter on, as you can see, and I just actually used just some glue. I didn't use hot glue because hot glue can get bumpy when you do it. So I actually just used the Wellbond, and I just put the glue on just because it wasn't as sticky and because you're putting it on a bumpy surface. I did want to say that it was almost 5 packs of the diamonds that I used, and I just made a simple bow. I just thought I just added a little bit more. I think it turned out pretty good. It almost reminds me of kind of like a chocolate box, you know, like a top of a chocolate box with on the side. I don't know, that's just my opinion. We can show what the light looks like on. I just think it's super cute. I can't wait to hang it up. I hope you guys all like it. Please make sure that you guys like, and if you haven't already subscribed, on my main YouTube page, there is a subscribe word. You just click on that. Once you click on that, you will see a little bell. If you turn on that bell, it will give you a notification when I do upload a new video. If you like the Chanel products, as you know, I all do rustic and I do like bling as well. I have like a cute Chanel perfume bottle that I also did, I think it was last year. Less than last year, I think it was in February, that there's a tutorial on my site. I've also done 2 different purses, and I believe I did a rose box as well of Chanel. I like doing Chanel. I don't do too much of it, but I do like my blingy product or crafts. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this. I think it's super cool, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.